Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a product from your online store on Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Here, next to the online store that you want to delete your product on, click on Manage Store. We are now in the store management area, and to delete a product, simply go to products and you will see the available products on your online store. For example, let's say that I want to delete this hand soap product. Simply click on these three dots and select delete. Before this, I will view it in store. This is the hand soap product that I want to delete, and if I click on delete, I will see this window pop up. After you delete this product, all product information will be lost. Yes, click on delete. And now let's refresh this deleted product to see what happened. It still exists. This is totally normal because all products or all store changes requires to updating your website to fully take effect online. So click on edit website button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. To go to this website builder and update my website from here. Now that my website is updated, let's refresh again the same page. And as you see, page not found means that my product is completely deleted from my website. And this is how to delete a product in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.